Gonna light up this candle. Ah, smells like Christmas. Salted caramel. You guys should really try this. Ooh, put a little bit of chapstick on. My lips are looking crusty, even though these lips are always juicy. Don't mind me, I'm just rubbing my Goddess of Nubia hair and body butter black radiance. Everybody should really go and pick this up. One of the best things ever is all natural products. Is a body and hair butter, so you can use it all over. You can use it for your hair, to nourish your hair, to make your hair grow. Love it. What's up, you guys? Merry Christmas. It's Christmas today. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a Priscilla Ono makeup tutorial. If you feel my energy to be a little down, in this video I wasn't gonna smoke or drink, and then something got me so upset. Like, it's like everything's cool now, but then at the moment I'm like, I need to take a few hits because I need to calm down. I can't let that little situation discourage me for the rest of the day. Like, I gotta keep pushing. So I had to cheat a little bit. I had to take a few hits because I'm like, everything was going so smooth. Not today. Had to bring the munchies out, like, to calm me down and stuff. Damn, open. Bitch. I opened it. Let me not smile so I won't get, so they won't get any deeper. Okay, we're gonna start out with foundation, and I'm gonna mix it a little bit with my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter and number 6 and the Anastasia foundation. I don't know if I said that already. I'm gonna mostly put on the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter because I don't really want heavy coverage. I want the skin to be very natural and the eyes and the lips to be the main focus. I'm applying this with my IT Cosmetics foundation brush. Okay, so next, don't mind me. Oh, the munchies, bro. Oh my god. I'm gonna correct the conceal. I'm gonna correct the conceal with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Amande. I'm just gonna do this in the little areas that I need it, like on a dark spot, like discoloration somewhere. You remember how we used to make fun of how, like, people try to come back in your life by wishing you happy birthday or or a holiday or something like that? Get your ass off my phone. Some people just be like, oh, just block him. I don't like to block people anymore because it's like, I'm the type of person where if I can't do something, it's gonna make me want to do it even more. So it's like, if I block you, like in a few months, a year, I'm gonna want to unblock you. Now I don't block people, I just leave it, and it gives me more pleasure when you're like on my ass and I'm just not replying. And I don't have that urge, like, and even if I unblock you, I don't even have that urge to like stalk your page, be on your 24/7 because you're just there, When you're blocked, it's like, oh shit, I don't know what he's doing, I don't know what's going on, like, I just don't block people anymore. I don't know that. And then I feel like they probably think like, oh, she blocked me, her feelings are hurt. No, you're just stupid. To contour, I'm gonna use my Milk foundation stick, my Flex foundation stick in Cocoa. I love this so much. Like, I want to get it as my actual shade because I really love the consistency of it. It's so creamy, and I know it's like nice and dewy, but it's just that I have so many foundations that I don't mind getting another contour because I love contour so much. And a nice rich Cocoa, it's like the perfect name, the perfect shade. This is a Morphe G3. If I sound a little funny, I am getting over like a fever. I have a really stuffy nose. I stopped sneezing, thank God. Yo, like I was sneezing every few minutes on the train. You know when you have to cough really bad and you get that tickle in your throat and you're trying to hold your cough because you don't want to seem like you're coughing too much and spreading so much germs on the train, bro? Oh my God. You know that meme with the little boy that he's like, and his veins is popping out, his eyes are red. Y'all know which one I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna buff out my concealer with my Sephora collection brush in 89. You guys, what was up with that damn Amber Alert? Come on, are you serious? There were so many different reasons why. People were saying that it was for clout, you know, about the whole kidnapping thing, obviously that passed, but it's like, whoa, I didn't get a chance to talk about that on my channel. But it's like, bro, really? Amber Alert staged. Never again. Never ever again. Don't ever do that again. Anyone, please. You know how many people were so angry? They were so okay, like people were angry at the fact that it was fake, but it's just the situation. People were so mad. They're like, are you serious? Like, these sex traffickers are getting really bold. They're getting crazy. Like, nah, we about to retaliate. First, people said it was for clout, and then people said it was because she didn't want to go back to her country and she wanted to stay with her boyfriend. So you were willing to put your mother through pain and suffering for the rest of her life, or until you became an adult, so that you can be with your boyfriend? Dumbass. Is the that good? So I'm gonna set my under eyes with my Hourglass translucent powder, my favorite. I'm gonna use my MAC dark mineralized skin finish all over. Oh, I did wanna make my under eyes a little bit brighter. I'm gonna use a little bit of Kevin Aquan. A little bit. Oh my God, please don't be a psycho. Please be a nice girl. You never know with people on the internet, man. And this is just a Real Techniques brush. I'm just pressing that in. Now to set all over the face with a Sephora diffuser brush, put this all over the face. I feel like crap, you guys. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, and then my nose is super stuffy. I can't hear out of this ear, so everything just sounds pretty muffled. To bronze up, I'm gonna use Bajan Gyal. Crown brush that I always use that does not have a number on it. If you guys want to send me any brushes, I would gladly appreciate it, because I need brushes. I would like to try Sigma brushes too. Oh, I like this color. You know what's funny about the Fenty bronzers? They appear so light when you look at it, but when you put them on, they're so pigmented. A bit right here on the chinny chin ho. And we're gonna define with Mocha Mami. You guys, so let me tell you, a few days ago, maybe like a week ago, I'm on the train and you know there's a homeless man, and he's pretty loud. Like, he catches everyone off guard, sharing his story. I thought I had change, but I didn't, but I had my headphones in. So I don't know if somebody actually said something or he just heard something. I don't know. But he was getting ready to go to the next car, and he turned around and he was like, if you have something to say, say it when I'm already off the car or when I'm gone. Don't say it right behind my back. And I'm like, what the f? Everybody turns to see like what's going on, and then I'm turning, looking the other way, trying to see like who he's looking at and who he's talking to see who said what they said. He's getting ready to walk out again, but then he turns around and he blacks out, and he keeps doing that. Like he's about to leave the car, he turns around and he blacks out. So then when he's about to leave, he turns around one more time and there's a girl sitting right next to where he is, and he gets all up in her face. I don't know if he was like yelling at her or just trying to say don't let any, because what I heard, because it was like too loud, it sounded like he was saying don't let anybody talk about your kids and da 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 like that. And she just stood there like, and then when it was the next stop, she just got out the train. I was like, oh they pissed him off. I understand that there's people in this world that didn't deserve to become homeless, like things just happen. It's rough, I get it. He's frustrated because he's over here begging for money. It's like being ignored every day, not knowing if you're gonna sleep on a bed that night, not eating for a couple days, no drinking water for a whole day. But then though there be those people that they just have mental illnesses, and those are the scary ones. Those are just the scary ones that you can encounter more frequently on the train because it's public transportation. Set with the Morphe setting spray. To highlight, I'm using my NARS Orgasm loose highlighter with my Morphe M501. Put that right there. I'm gonna use a bit of this NARS stick blush in Maui. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes. So now we're going to use the Inglot eyeliner gel with my Morphe E21 brush. I'm just gonna go into it and yeah, just put this on my lid. So the model, she doesn't really have a lot of eyelid space, but I do, so it might look a little different. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty palette, the Rose Gold Remastered, and I'm gonna use Man Eater, this color right here, with my Morphe E22 brush, and I'm just gonna fluff this. Oh, this brush has glitter on it. Okay, as I put this color on, it's just looking a little darker than the picture. I want it to be more on the red side, so I'm just gonna go in with like a true red color to see how that goes. With my James Charles palette, I'm gonna use the red shade that's in here. It's just a true red. Pack that on and see if it just gives it a brighter. Yes, it does. I think I'm gonna invest in one of the Anastasia palettes because, well, in one of the Norvina palettes, I shall say, because I do like Anastasia eyeshadows. Is like one of my favorite formulas for eyeshadows, because I don't know if you can see right here, it's looking a little patchy with that red. It's not all that blended. With a clean Morphe R33 brush, I'm gonna just buff out the edges. Pick up some of that red just to blend with it, because I noticed that when I blend with a clean brush, I'm like wiping away the red. Wow, these eyeshadows are not all that. For the inner corners, we're gonna pop in some Moscow Mule and Ginger Binge. This is a Fenty highlighter. I'm gonna go into Moscow Mule, to the inner corners. I'm gonna pop a little bit of that NARS Orgasm highlighter that I use right there, just to give it a brighter effect. I'm gonna use two stunner. Oh my god, I sound so sick. Like, I sound so congested. I'm gonna use two lip stunner lip paints. The first one I'm gonna use is in Underdog, and this one is in Uncensored. Okay. Oh, I always forget how much product it has. Oh god. A little bit of this red one in the center. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. Comment down below any videos that you guys want me to record. I would really truly appreciate it. I love hearing you guys' ideas. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you guys soon.